Los Angeles, from dreams to ashes. Los Angeles had always been a city of dreams, a place where golden sunsets kissed the Pacific, where laughter echoed through bustling streets, and where people from all walks of life found hope beneath its neon glow. The air was filled with the scent of fresh flowers from vibrant gardens. Children played under the warm Californian sun, and families shared joy-filled evenings in their homes. The city was alive, a paradise draped in the luxury of fortune and the simplicity of togetherness. But then, the wind whispered a different tale. It started as a faint glow on the horizon, flickering innocently against the dusk. No one paid it much heed. After all, Los Angeles had always danced with fire, metaphorically, at least. But this time, the flames were real, and they came with a vengeance. Fueled by dry winds and an unforgiving summer, the fire spread with terrifying speed, devouring hillsides and creeping towards the city like a hungry beast. Within hours, the skyline was no longer a dazzling spectacle of lights, but a canvas of raging crimson. Ash rained from the heavens, and thick smoke cloaked the stars, turning day into an endless night of horror. Panic surged through the streets. Families abandoned their homes, grabbing whatever they could carry: photo albums, a child's favorite toy, a handful of memories. Cars clogged the highways, their headlights cutting through the smoke like desperate fireflies. The wails of sirens mingled with the cries of terrified children as parents held them close, whispering promises of safety even when they had none to give. The fire showed no mercy. Buildings collapsed into smoldering ruins. Parks that once held picnics and laughter became charred wastelands, and once thriving neighborhoods were reduced to ashes. The people of Los Angeles, actors, teachers, waiters, doctors, now shared the same fate, a fight for survival against nature's wrath. Among them was little Sophia, clutching her father's hand as they fled their burning home. Her stuffed rabbit, covered in soot, dangled limply from her grip. "Daddy, where will we go?" she asked, her innocent eyes reflecting the inferno's glow. Her father, his own face streaked with ash and sweat, could only press a trembling kiss to her forehead. "Somewhere safe, my love. I promise." But safety was a luxury many could not find. Shelters overflowed, food and water became scarce, and fear gripped the city like an unrelenting shadow. The once happiest place on earth was now a nightmare from which no one could wake. And yet, amid the devastation, humanity endured. Firefighters battled the flames with unwavering determination, risking their lives to save others. Strangers shared their last bottles of water, offered warm embraces, and held each other up when all seemed lost. The fire had taken so much, but it could not steal kindness, resilience, or the will to rebuild. Days passed before the inferno finally relented, leaving behind a city scarred but not broken. The people of Los Angeles emerged from the ashes, their spirits battered yet unyielding. They mourned their losses, honored their heroes, and vowed to rise again. For in every ember that smoldered, in every tear that fell, there was a promise: Los Angeles would shine once more. And as the first star reappeared in the smoke-cleared sky, the city knew hope had not burned away.